All right, today we're diving into a decision that, believe it or not, is way more than just a technical purchase. It's actually a core strategic move for your entire operation. We're talking about how to choose the right electrical control panel manufacturer.
But first, let me ask you something. What's that silent threat that could be lurking in your production line right this second? You know, the one that causes that sudden, expensive downtime, creates those nagging safety risks, and just quietly puts the brakes on your whole operation.
Well, the answer is often hiding in a component that's super easy to overlook. It's a hidden risk that a lot of businesses just don't see until it's way, way too late.
Does any of this ring a bell? Those sudden, totally random shutdowns that bring everything to a grinding halt. Or maybe those persistent safety concerns you just can't seem to nail down. Or even just that gut feeling that things aren't running as smoothly as they should be. The crazy part is, the root cause for all three might be the exact same thing. Yep, all of these issues can point back to one single critical component. We're talking about the electrical control panel. And trust me, it's not just a box of wires. It's the actual brain of your entire system. It's really helpful to think of the control panel as both the heart and the brain of your whole setup. It's the central command center that manages absolutely everything, regulating the flow of power, protecting your expensive machinery, and, most importantly, keeping your people safe. So let's break down its main jobs. First, it regulates the precise flow of electricity, making sure your equipment gets exactly the juice it needs to work perfectly. Then, it oversees your machinery, kind of like a watchtower for your whole process. And critically, it guards your system, ensuring everything operates safely to prevent dangerous overloads or short circuits. Okay, so if this component is so vital, how do you pick the right partner to build it? What really separates a top-tier manufacturer from all the others? It pretty much boils down to three key things. First, you have to remember that one size does not fit all. The best manufacturers offer serious customization, building the panel to your exact needs. Next, they put their panels through some seriously rigorous testing. We're talking intense heat, vibration, heavy loads, to make sure it won't fail when you need it most. And finally, they offer fast, expert support, so if anything does go wrong, you're not left hanging. At the end of the day, this isn't about buying a product off the shelf. It's really an investment in a system that's going to be strong, efficient, and make economic sense for the long haul. If you get these three things right, you're really building a foundation for success. Because making the right choice here isn't just about preventing problems. It's about unlocking some real, tangible, long-term business payoffs. And the impact on your business is huge. You get less downtime, which means fewer of those surprise production crises. You'll see reduced maintenance costs because, let's face it, high-quality components just last longer. You get improved safety thanks to compliance with key standards like IEC and UL, which basically protect your people and your infrastructure. And you can even get energy savings because smart panels can actually watch your consumption and help you cut down on waste. This table here really spells it out. Just look at what's rated high importance: industry compliance, component quality, and after-sales support. A top-notch manufacturer is going to deliver on all three with certified panels, premium parts, and support you can actually count on. Sure, pricing is important, but it should come second to value and reliability. Okay, to wrap this all up, let's put together a final checklist, a simple framework you can use when you're making this super important decision. Now, this might just be the most important takeaway of all. It is so tempting to just go for the lowest price tag, but that can be a trap. It often signals lower quality parts and leads to way higher costs down the road. The smart money always focuses on long-term value, reliability, support, and the total cost of ownership over the panel's entire life. So, when you're checking out a potential partner, here are the three big questions to ask. Number 1, can they build a panel that's exactly right for your unique needs? 2, is their after-sales support system genuinely robust and reliable? And 3, is their pricing clear and focused on long-term value, or are they just trying to win with a lowball quote? Because, this isn't just about buying a piece of hardware. Making the right choice here is a fundamental building block for achieving operational excellence, real safety, and long-term durability in your business. And that really just leaves us with one final question for you to think about. When you look at your own operation, is your control system a strategic asset that's moving you forward, or is it a future crisis just waiting to happen? The choice is yours. Thanks for tuning in.